These three foods in your fridge are sending you to an early grave. Pork comes from the dirtiest animal on the planet, one that literally eats its own shit. Each pink slice is a class 1 carcinogen, directly linked to early onset colon tumors. But worse is flavored yogurt. Looks healthy, but packed with glucose syrup, seed oils, and gums. According to recent audits, 70% of all supermarket foods are ultra-processed, even the healthy-looking ones. Comment exposure to spot which foods are actually safe with a scan.